Melasma is a tan or dark skin discoloration. Melasma is thought to be caused by sun exposure, genetic predisposition, hormone changes, and skin irritation. Although it can affect anyone, melasma is particularly common in women, especially pregnant women and those who are taking oral or patch contraceptives or hormone replacement therapy medications. The symptoms of melasma are dark, irregular, well-demarcated, hyperpigmented macules to patches, commonly found on the upper cheek, nose, lips, upper lip, and forehead. Let's speak about 6 easy and effective home remedies for melasma. 1. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural skin lightener with superb astringent properties. The acidic nature of lemon juice also helps remove the outer layer of the skin, thereby eliminating a layer of the hyperpigmented skin. Extract the juice from 1 fresh lemon. Apply it on the affected areas and gently rub it around for 1 or 2 minutes. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Follow this remedy twice daily and you should see improvement within 3 weeks. 2. Apple cider vinegar. The acetic acid that is present in the apple cider vinegar makes it a powerful bleaching agent, which thereby helps in removing spots and makes the skin more radiant and glowing. Mix together equal amounts of apple cider vinegar and water. Apply the solution on the melasma spots and allow it to air dry. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat dry the skin gently. Follow this remedy once daily. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is very effective for curing skin problems. Turmeric powder can reduce the skin's melanin and can help combat melasma. Mix 5 tablespoons of turmeric powder with 10 tablespoons of milk to make a paste. Add 1 tablespoon of flour to thicken the mixture. Apply this paste evenly on the affected area. Allow it to dry for 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Repeat this treatment daily for best results. 4. Onion juice. Onion juice has a range of sulfur-containing compounds that can fade dark patches or discoloration on the skin. Also, onion juice provides nourishment to the skin cells, which in turn brightens your skin. Chop 2 to 3 onions. Put them in a piece of cheesecloth and squeeze it to extract the juice. Measure the onion juice and mix it with an equal amount of apple cider vinegar. Apply it on the affected area with a cotton ball. Leave it for 20 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. Follow this remedy twice daily for a few weeks. 5. Aloe vera gel. Due to the presence of mucilaginous polysaccharides in aloe vera gel, it can alleviate hyperpigmentation and restore your skin's original color. It can also remove dead skin cells and promote regeneration of new skin cells. Cut open an aloe vera leaf and extract the fresh gel. Apply the gel thoroughly on the affected area and gently massage for 1 or 2 minutes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Follow this remedy twice daily for a few weeks. 6. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is an amazing natural exfoliating agent that can remove brown spots on the face and dissolve dead skin cells to give you brighter, glowing skin. Mix together 2 tablespoons of oatmeal powder, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply it on the affected area, wait 20 minutes, and rub off the mixture with water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Do this 2 or 3 times a week for a month. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe.